Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Human in the Loop AI, the best of both worlds, combining AI's speed with human wisdom for better, more reliable results. Analogy: like an experienced co-pilot overseeing an autopilot system. Imagine AI as an incredibly smart, super fast autopilot for many tasks. While amazing, sometimes this autopilot needs a wise, experienced co-pilot, that's you, to ensure everything runs perfectly, especially in tricky situations. Human in the loop, HITL. AI is all about making this partnership seamless. Combining AI's raw power with human common sense and judgment. It's not about AI replacing humans, but AI working with humans to achieve superior results. AI is brilliant at finding patterns in huge amounts of data and performing repetitive tasks tirelessly, but it lacks common sense, empathy, and an understanding of nuance or exceptions. For example, an AI might incorrectly flag a perfectly harmless image as inappropriate, or misinterpret a medical scan because it hasn't seen that rare condition before. It operates on rules and data it's trained on, not on understanding the real world, which can lead to mistakes that a human would instantly recognize. On the flip side, humans, while wise, have limitations. We're much slower than computers, get tired, can make inconsistent decisions when faced with vast amounts of data, and can't process information at the scale AI can. Imagine trying to manually review millions of social media posts for harmful content or analyzing petabytes of sensor data from a factory. It's impossible. This is where AI's speed, efficiency, and ability to handle massive datasets become indispensable. The loop in Human in the Loop describes a continuous feedback cycle. Here's how it works. 1. AI does the heavy lifting. It processes data, makes predictions, or takes initial actions. 2. Human reviews. A person examines the AI's output, especially for complex or uncertain cases. 3. Human corrects, validates. If the AI made a mistake or needs refinement, the human provides the correct answer or feedback. 4. AI learns. This human feedback is fed back into the AI system, helping it learn from its errors and improve for next time. It's an ongoing training process, making the AI smarter and more reliable over time. For developers, building HITL systems means designing the bridges between AI and humans. This involves creating user interfaces, UIs, where humans can easily review AI outputs, flag errors, or provide corrected labels. It also means building the plumbing that collects this human feedback and integrates it back into the AI model's training process. You might develop tools for data annotation, exception handling workflows, or systems that decide when to ask for human help based on AI's confidence levels. It's about engineering a smooth collaboration. Combining AI's speed and scale with human intelligence brings significant advantages. Increased accuracy. AI constantly improves with human corrections. Enhanced reliability. Humans catch AI's mistakes, preventing costly errors. Greater trust. Users feel more secure knowing there's human oversight. Ethical AI. Humans can ensure fairness and prevent bias in AI decisions. Handling edge cases. AI handles the common scenarios, while humans excel at the rare, complex, or ambiguous situations AI struggles with. You encounter HITL AI more often than you think. Content moderation. AI flags potentially harmful content, like hate speech, but humans make the final decision. Medical imaging. AI identifies suspicious areas in X-rays or MRIs. but a radiologist confirms the diagnosis. Self-driving cars. The car's AI drives, but a human driver is ready to take over if the AI encounters an unexpected situation. Customer support. Asterisk chatbots handle simple queries, escalating complex issues to human agents. These systems leverage HITL to be both efficient and dependable. Human-in-the-loop AI isn't just a concept. It's a practical, powerful approach to building responsible and effective AI systems as developers. Understanding HITL allows you to create AI applications that are not only innovative but also robust, trustworthy, and truly intelligent by embracing the synergy between machines and human wisdom. It's about building the future of AI where humans are an integral part of its success, not just observers. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.